Hello students, today we are going to talk about elimination reaction. What does means elimination? Elimination, the word comes from eliminate. Eliminate means remove. So here in the elimination reaction, it is happened in the haloalkene, right? So in haloalkene, what will happen? The HX will be removed. If you take any haloalkane compound, HX will be removed in the presence of alcoholic KOH, right? And alkene is formed. This is basic definition of elimination. Elimination में क्या होता है कि एल्किल हैलाइड रिएक्ट करते हैं एल्कोहलिक KOH की प्रेजेंस में और फिर एल्कीन को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और HX को रिमूव कर देते हैं. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन. Like SN1 and SN2, it is also two type, E1 elimination reaction or E2 elimination reaction. What does means E1? E1 means elimination unimolecular reaction and E2 means elimination bimolecular reaction. So one by one we will look into. So what is E1 reaction? Elimination unimolecular reaction. In this reaction, here we have taken the example of tertiary butyl bromide. Let's see why it is tertiary butyl bromide. Here you can see this carbon attached with the bromine is tertiary carbon. Why it is tertiary? Because surrounded by 3 carbon. ये कार्बन जो है 3 साइड से कार्बन से अटैच है. So it is tertiary butyl bromide. If you look into the IUPAC name of this compound, so it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. यानी कि प्रोपेन 2 मिथाइल 2 ब्रोमो 2 ब्रोमो 2 मिथाइल propane. This is the IUPAC name of this substrate. It is a substrate. When it react with alcoholic KOH, right, it remove HBr. HBr कैसे निकलेगा इसमें से? We know that this is halogen. Halogen is having strong electronegative character. So this take the electron, shared electron toward the bromine, and this carbon easily give the electrons. Why it give easily? Because from all the sides you can see there are methyl group. That means the electron density is more on that carbon and it will easily allow bromine to take the electrons and form alkene, and its name is butene. From alpha position Br is removed, from beta any of the beta position I have taken here, this electron will shift over here and this will also be removed. So HX will be removed and alkene will be formed. This is elimination E1 reaction. Now it is also called dehydrohalogenation. D for delete यानी रिमूव कर दिया. किसको रिमूव किया है? आप देखो ये अल्फा कार्बन है जिससे ग्रुप अटैच है और बीटा कार्बन बीटा कार्बन बीटा कार्बन. सो फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द बीटा कार्बन व्हाट वी विल डू, वन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन विल बी रिमूव. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन सी दिस इज डी हाइड्रो हैलोजिनेशन यानी डिहाइड्रो हैलोजिनेशन एंड वी विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट एल्कीन. ओके, here we have taken aqueous KOH and it is very important. If we have taken alcoholic KOH and in alcoholic KOH is act as a base, which is very important for this reaction. If we are not taking alcoholic KOH, then what will happen? This will not act as a base. And if we take the aqueous KOH अगर हम ले लेंगे तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जो OH है वो एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल एक्ट करेगा और इट विल अटैच, इट विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द Br यानी हेलोजन को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देगा और एल्कोहल कंपाउंड बनाएगा, एल्कोहल प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देयरफॉर दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव alcoholic KOH. In the presence of alcoholic KOH, it acts as a base. So let's see how this reaction is performed. The mechanism of reaction is very important. So let's see the reaction mechanism. Here you can see in the first step what will happen. since we have discussed that electron density on that carbon is very much high, so it will allow the bromine to let it go with their electron. तो bromine bromide ion बन जाएगा, and one of the bond will be this will change into the carbocation in the first step. तो जैसे ही ब्रोमीन निकलेगा ये कार्बोकेटायन प्लस चार्ज आ जाएगा इस पे, तो कार्बोकेटायन इज फॉर्म्ड. सो हियर वी कैन सी वी हैव आयनाइज्ड दिस कंपाउंड. दिस इज कंपाउंड और सबस्ट्रेट get ionized plus and minus charge, okay, and this is carbocation and this is bromide ion. So this step is called ionization step, and it is very slow step, okay. So it is a slow step, therefore it is a rate determining step. The rate of reaction determined with this step. Now in the second step you can see the carbocation in the presence of ethoxide ion. Now from where this ethoxide ion comes, here you can see we have taken aqueous alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH में क्या होगा, अल्कोहल होगा और KOH होगा. तो अल्कोहल और KOH मिलके क्या करते हैं, ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ से निकल जाता है, राइट, और बचता क्या है यहाँ पे, H यहाँ से और OH यहाँ से निकल जाता है. So what will happen, C2H5O minus will be left. So this is ethoxide ion. Since it is bulky group, heavy होता है, so it attract the proton from one of the beta carbon. एक बीटा कार्बन से, किसी भी एक बीटा कार्बन से ये प्रोटॉन को अट्रैक्ट करेगा, and this electron shift toward center carbon, okay. So here the double bond will be formed and H attach with the ethoxide ion and produce ethyl alcohol, and in that way we will get the product 1-butene. So this is all about E1 reaction. Let's go ahead for E2 reaction. So students, now let's talk about the E2 mechanism. E2 reaction is elimination by molecular reaction. इसमें भी क्या होगा, the same way it is also in this reaction also HBr will be minus or remove. Here we have taken example of ethyl bromide or bromoethane, you can say. It is the substrate. When it act in the presence of alcoholic KOH, HBr is minus and we will get ethene, okay. Ethene we will get, this is a kind of alkene, this product we will get. Now what is the mechanism? Here you can see I have written ethene in, I opened the ethene structure, carbon and carbon, these are 3 hydrogen, these are 2 hydrogen, and bromine is attached, okay. So this is the alpha carbon, since it is attached with the functional group, and this is beta carbon. So what will happen, its electronegativity is high, so it will take the electron. At the same time you can see this is ethoxide ion comes from the alcoholic KOH. We have taken alcoholic KOH, so from here that ethoxide ion will attract the proton over here. When it attract the proton over here, it shifted its electron to the next carbon. यहाँ पे ये इस कार्बन पे शिफ्ट कर देगा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को. So this balance will be fulfilled. The bromine will easily, what will happen, remove. So one transition state comes over here. You can see this is the hydrogen making the bond with the ethoxide ion. This is the proton, so it is shown by the dot, and at the same time this bond is going to be formed, this bond is going to be break, right, and this bond is going to be break, right. So in the next step, which is a very fast step, this is completely one step. Why it is one step? Because this is a transition state. What is it? Transition state. And transition states are unstable. They appear in for a very few for a moment, you can say it's 10⁻⁻⁶ per second. So at the same time bonds are breaking and bonds are forming, and what will happen ultimately in the next fast step, this bond is formed. That means the bulky group alcoholic, since we have taken alcoholic KOH, so this ethoxide ion take the proton from this molecule and convert it into ethyl alcohol, and from here bromine take its one electron and changes into bromide ion and remove from here. This bond completely formed. So here what we will get in the next step, we will get HH, carbon, carbon, this completely bond will be formed. So carbon double bond carbon, and here you can see H and one more H is there. Okay, so here you can see CH2, we will get the ethine. This is the product ethene. We will get alkene. Okay, so let's talk about the comparison between E1 and E2. राइट, एक्टिविटी आप देखेंगे इसमें तो टर्सरी कार्बन की ज़्यादा होगी, सेकेंडरी की कम होगी, उससे कम होगी प्राइमरी की. हेयर उल्टा हो जाएगा, टर्सरी की सबसे कम होगी, सेकेंडरी की उससे कम होगी और प्राइमरी की सबसे ज़्यादा होगी E2 रिएक्शन में. वाई? बिकॉज हेयर एज मच जितना क्राउड कम होगा उतना ज़्यादा ये फेवर करेगा, उतना जल्दी प्रोटॉन निकाल पाएगा. ओके, नाउ इट इज़ यूनिमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन, इट इज़ बायोमोलिकुलर रिएक्शन. इसमें क्या होता है, E2 रिएक्शन में दो मॉलिक्यूल पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, राइट. एंड हेयर इट इज़ यूनिमोलिकुलर. वाई इट इज़ यूनिमोलिकुलर? बिकॉज ओनली alkyl halide is taking part, but here alkyl halide along with the alcoholic KOH, यानी base is also taking part in the reaction. It is two step reaction. ये दो स्टेप में होती है. फर्स्ट स्टेप स्लो होता है, रेट डिटरमाइनिंग होता है, राइट. एंड इट इज E2 reaction perform in single steps. This is first order reaction. The rate of reaction is the order of reaction is 1. It is second order reaction. It can be performed by the weak base. When it is heated, it can be performed, and it is only performed by the strong base. In this reaction, carbocation is formed. In this reaction, transition state is formed. And here is the order of reactivity of carbocation. So the tertiary one will favor even reaction, whereas the tertiary one will also not favor the E2 reaction. So this is the complete E1 and E2 reaction. And let's see into the next few example of E1 and E2 reaction.